This is the Nilfisk Core 125, and in this video I'm going to be going through a quick demonstration and I'm going to reveal everything that you need to know about this machine. The Nilfisk Core 125 is the entry-level model in the range, and this one is the smallest and lightest, and it's ideal for basic cleaning tasks. This model features a maximum pump pressure of 125 bar with a flow rate of 440 litres per hour. It weighs 6.4 kilograms and comes with an aluminium pump for longer lifespan. The Core 125 also features an automatic stop-start system with 5 meters of power cable with a 5 meter Ultraflex hose. And for easy and fast storage, this machine comes with a quick connect and integrated compartments for the nozzles, hose and lance. So now you know all the technical specification with the Core 125, it's time to see what comes with this package. Once you open the box, you'll find plenty of components that come with this machine, including a chemical bottle, 2 nozzles, one for gentle cleaning and one for heavy duty use, an Ultraflex 5 meter hose, a lance, and attachable wheels and handles. The Core 125 will easily be able to tackle tasks such as patio cleaning and washing your car, but that's not all. You will find a whole host of accessories that fit onto the entire Core range, and these can be found by visiting Cleanstore.co.uk.